All right, guys, so before we move on here, I just want to be able to have custom titles for each page. And this is something I could have done early on, but I wanted to get all of our templates all set before I did that. Okay, and now I think we have every single template, every page, every HTML page is now incorporated into our application. So I think that it's a good time to implement that. And it's very easy. All we have to do, let me just close all this stuff up. All we have to do is go into our base HTML, and we just simply need to add another block, and we're going to put that up in the title. Now I do want, and it's up to you how you want to do this, but I do want to have BT real estate in every page title, but then have the rest of the title after it, so like a subtitle. All right, and you could do this how you want. Usually you have like a pipe character or a hyphen or something like that. You could put the hyphen in the template like this, but then again, if you forget or you don't have a custom title on a page, it's just going to look like this with nothing after it. Or you can choose to put the hyphen or the pipe character within the template. Okay, and I'll show you what I mean. So I'm just going to leave it. I'm going to put the character inside the template just in case we don't add a title to a page. But we just want to add a block here. So we're going to say block, and I'm going to call this title, and we want to, of course, end the block. So let's say end block. Save that. And then let's start off with our home page. We'll go to pages and then index HTML. And for the title here, I mean, you guys can do whatever you want. I'm just going to put the word home or welcome. And where we want to put this is, I'm going to put it right after we load humanize. So right here. So we want to say block title, and let's just do welcome. And what I was talking about is we would put the pipe like that, and then end block. All right, so let's save that, see if it works. So we'll go to the home page and reload, and now we get BT real estate. We have a pipe character and welcome. So it's up to you where you want to put the character. So let's add some other ones. I'm just going to go ahead and copy this, because as you can see now, if we went to about and we forgot to put a title, or we didn't want to put a title, it still just says BT real estate. If we did it the other way, we would have just a pipe character, which looks kind of silly. So I mean, I don't know, it's up to you on how you want to do it. So for about, let's go up here, and we're going to go right under load static. I always want to put the title like right above the content, and we'll just say about BTRE, or let's just do about us. Okay, we'll save that. Let's go to see what other pages we have here. Let's go to listings, and we'll go to listings.html, and we'll say browse, or browse property listings. Like that. Okay, let's go to search.html and go right here, and we'll say search results. Save that. Now let's go to listing.html, and this is really important because I actually want to put the title of the listing in the page title. So it's actually going to be dynamic. So I'm going to grab this right here, listing.title, and put that in here. That way it shows the title. So let's save, and we'll check that out in a minute, but let's finish here. So let's go to register, accounts/register. Whoops, oh man, I gotta copy that again. All right, so register account. Let's go to login. So accounts login. login. We'll just say account login. And then we just have our dashboard. And let's just say dashboard. Oops. We'll say user dashboard. Okay, I think that's all of our templates. I think that's all of our HTML files. So let's go ahead and check them out now on the front end website. So this is the about. So I'm going to reload and we get about us, featured listings, we get browse properties, register account, account login. If we go to, let's see, let's go to a single listing. And notice that in the title now, we can see 33 Essex Circle, so we have the actual listing. You could also put like the city and state, whatever you want. It's absolutely fine, whatever you want to put. If we log in and go to the dashboard, we get user dashboard. All right, so all of our titles are good. So now what we're going to do in the next section is we're going to start to work with contacts, okay, or inquiries. Basically, we want to be able to submit this form right here. Okay, so this should get submitted to a view method, and this stuff should get added to the database. And we're also going to make it so that if you're logged in, then your name and your email is automatically put in the form. Also, it should get put in the database. Your user ID should get put in the row as well. All right, that way we can track logged in users' inquiries, and we can put that in their dashboards. Okay, so we're going to get into that in the next section.